Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you students? I hope you all are happy and healthy. This is our general awareness class. So my dear kids, let's sing a rhyme together. So let's begin and sing the rhyme with me. Yes. Cat goes meow, 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 meow. Dog goes woof, 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 woof. Horse goes neigh, 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 neigh. Cow goes moo, 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 moo. Goat goes meh, 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 meh. Donkey goes hee haw, haw, hee haw. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. So my dear kids, what we have learned in the previous class? Yes, we have learned about the animals. So in this class, we will learn the sounds of animals. Very good. Kids, can you tell me what sound does a cat make? Yes, very good. Yes, yes, cat says meow, meow, meow. Very good. And what sound does a dog make? Very good. You all know very well. Yes, dog says woof, woof, woof. Very good. But the name of the sound that dog make is bark. Dog bark. Very nice. Cat meow and dog bark. Very good. And what is this? Which animal is this? Yes, this is a horse. Yes. What sound does a horse make? Yes, horse says neigh, neigh. Yes. The name of the sound that horse make, it's neigh. Yes, very good. And which animal is this? Yes, this is a cow. What sound does a cow make? Very good. Cow says moo, moo. Very nice. Horse neigh and cow moo. Very nice. And now this is a goat. What sound does a goat make? Yes, goat says meh, meh. Very nice. Goat says meh, meh. But the name of the sound that goat make is bleat. Yes, is bleat. Very good. Yes, this is a donkey. Yes. What sound does a donkey make? Yes, donkey says hee haw, hee haw. Yes, like this. Yes, but the name of the sound that donkey make, it's bray, bray. Yes. Goat bleat and donkey bray, bray. Very nice. So my dear kids, that's all for today. We will continue this topic in the next class. Learn the name of the animal with their sounds. Okay children. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.